Hello guys, it is Tuto, and today I will show you how to hide your YouTube subscribers count. And you see here my subscribers, it is voila, you see it here, and it is displayed. My YouTube subscribers, it is displayed. So I will show you how to hide it. First you click on your picture, and after click on YouTube Studio. It is very easy to hide your YouTube subscribers. I will show you how to do it in less than 2 minutes. So you click on settings, and after you have clicked on settings, you click on channel. Yes, after advanced settings, and you scroll down. And stop here. Subscribers count displays the number of people subscribed to my channel. Actually I have displayed the number of people subscribed to my channel. So if I click here, I have hide my subscribers count. So save it, and after if you go to your channel, you want to see the YouTube subscribers count. You see here it is hidden. I have hidden it. I have hidden the YouTube subscribers. So we are at the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more YouTube videos. So see you soon.